Yebo. Angisakuzwa network. Hello? Ya network ngikuzwa. Imina ngithe right. Ngiyasho ukuthi ngisanda kuvuka manje ngiyeza. Yazi manje uyangithuka ngikufaka kula speak uyangithuka. Uba kwemezana. Uba ngwemezana.
Isizwe uzohlala sihlale town
Ayo. Anguzi network. Hello?
afethu isintu uyabuya raise live show usizwe sizophinda sifonele sisamlindile usizwe from New Brazil uzohlala town manje siyakubongela kakhulu
siyabulela manje kubaphulaphula nababukeli for ukubukela ishow yethu show yethu yothando ingxabano after thando
ishow yethu ayongxabano after thando ishow yethu ethi December time.
Oh yeah,
sasishilo thina uba mazivakwe zivulwe ngoJanuary sasingafuni ezizinto because ngoku siblomile namajita akho girls akho mix ngamajita.
Look around, so look, the aim yale show is that sizama ukubonisa bona la moment yalapho ku December
bezulu
apho actually kakhulu apha kwabezulu because of a trust issue.
We feel at the point that le ntombazana ikhuluma ngayo ithi ndiyakhumbula sizwe buya uthini ngami imile uma
if now ufuna bakushow contact ithi number
number yethu 078 91 87 814
yeah ku Facebook Lubambo Mzayifana uyaja ku Facebook ufuna Lubambo Mzayifana and then you like her interest zethu phayana and then ubone
and ke ngokufuneka sibe khona up exen for catch moment uba usifona kufuneka silale up.
Yeah, especially you ladies, you should call amachita. Fuck you guys. Ningafoni namachita for namachero order. Yeah, for namachero order. Yes, phone up your number.
Live show. Sibuyile benshilo basobuya.
Yeah. Okay. Engani ngiphelele iphethe. Ngifile man. Ngiyakubuza ngitshela ngifile. Aparte ngithi ngiyaxolisa lalela. Madoda uba mina ngihlekisa madoda.
Okay, bafuna professional. Professional.
Yeah. Amajita
Sibuyele ke showini yethu. Kaso sezinto zinukayo. Showini live.
yasibuyile nivili yeshisa le ndaba isizwe usenkingeni inkinga umuntu owenze yonke le nkinga kulo ndipresenta naye this guy
lobamba ufuna ukubonakala
awufuna ukubonakala
Mina manje ngisafuna ukubonakala.
yeah fona usizwe ke sizowukhangela ichira kuba kanofumana ichira ezomnakekela futhi
Wazobona introduce
kuye lona usizwe
Sizwe. This has been a great show. Thanks to you, my guy. We appreciate it. Siyabulela fethu. Yazi inonithanda yokubana wena calm. You're so calm. You're a gentleman.
kaphinda phone at the thing ufuna kuyenza just sorry sorry kanye
but sorry akawuzwa
okay suphendula baba yeke ngimeka athethe yedwa man akuzi ba ukhona okay ba ufuna ukuva okay
Yeah.
because ngoku use stress in unomsindo yabo
yes
No, I'm actually looking at the likes. Ngoku apha i-director yami okay, yeah. Yangiqalela i-director yami
khona bathethayo apha ku Facebook bathina usizwe uyabayamfuna usizwe ufuneka lungise ufuneka lungise ingqondo yeah man yeah siqale lana kwamashu ke ishow yethu sesiyaphela lana siyabulela kakhulu usizwe sizombona sizoyilandelela le ndaba yakho ba uzohlala kuphi manje uzolala kuphi leyo into idepende kulo bamba.
But you guys keep watching the show. Nizawubona istory sawuphelela phi. Asizwe your boy Lubambo, the bad influencer.
Chantel the boy, the honest, he can lie. Chantel the best, he can lie. He can lie. Igama le show ikipapa nathi.
Yeah, ikepapanati hashtag but thina sitya
ikipapa nathi. Siyabonga. Uthini sizwe?
siyabonga
Ubonga situation.
siyabulela